Catro, don't Catro.
Catro.
So today where we are going?
To Sario.
Chari?
Sario.
Chario.
Yeah.
What is their
Villa.
villa?
Village, yeah.
So village.
Yeah.
So we are going to visit a village today. Chario.
Sario.
Chario village.
Sario village.
So this is our friend Catro.
Yeah.
He is guiding us.
Family.
Friend, family, everything. Yeah. And this is Ari.
Yeah.
Yeah, in my family, another family member. Okay, so we are going to Catro village.
Yes, Catro
Villa,
village.
okay.
Catro Villa. Paksa itu.
Gue nih.
Akhirnya digadein tuh apa yang dijual lah ya.
Kayak gue nih kan absengan nih. Ya boleh aja mau sama siapa.
Iya.
So we stopped here for breakfast. Oh, this street food. So we are going to have our breakfast. Breakfast, yes.
Ya, bubur ayam.
Bubur ayam, again bubur ayam.
Satu.
This is iced tea. Iced tea.
No sugar.
No sugar iced tea. Okay, thank you. This is iced tea without sugar.
This is your.
This is my bubur ayam.
Yeah, your.
West Javan style bubur ayam. What is this? This one?
Hah?
This one? Rose milk.
Ya.
Eh?
Pop ice. Ini bisa dikasih
Pop ice. Okay. This is the real village.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Village shop and breads are here, chocolates, gas cylinder, oil.
Mbak, ini satuan nggak, Mbak? Teh. Ini satuan nggak, Teh?
And this is a house, and very near to that they have a store here. Yeah. Your name?
Faisal.
Faisal. Good. You no school today? No school?
Yes.
No going today. So finally we reached West Java. What is the name? Place name? Can? Cariu. Chariu. Yes, this is Chariu, West Java, a place in West Java, Chariu. So finally we reached here in Chariu. Bogor region. Yeah, that is Ari. He is going upstairs of his villa. This is his villa. He owns this villa. Yeah. We three only here. Me, Katro, and Ari. Oh. This is kitchen? Kitchen? Yeah, this is kitchen. Oh. One fridge is here. Oh. It's need to clean. When you last came here? Last? 1 month before?
Yeah.
Fridge is not clean. Yes. Yeah, it's okay. Oh, cycle is here. Good. This is bathroom, toilet. So, how is everything, Ari? Good?
Hah? Good.
Good?
That is good.
Yeah, actually good for me, not for you, because you are already coming here. This is wood?
Huh?
Wood?
Yes, wood.
Oh, the ceiling is completely wood. Not ceiling,
This wood too.
floor itself.
Yeah, this wood.
Oh, this one also wood. This pillar is wood. And the steps, we can go upstairs, we can go. Oh, it's very beautiful. Very nice. Oh. So another room. Oh, this is no light here. Yes, good. They arranged some beds here. One wash base. One mosquito net is here. Yeah, totally it's good. Good. Village side of Western Java.
Java.
This soya bean? Ah, yes, beans, yes. That is beans.
Villa datang gitu.
Villa. Dia orang villa tadi ya.
Kopi bang.
Orang India ini.
Pakai ke kopinya.
Orang India. Dari India.
No,
dia.
Indonesia bahasa no.
Bahasa Indonesia. Orang
Yes.
Only
baru
English.
datang kemarin.
Only
dia.
little bahasa. No.
Berapa orang?
Terima kasih.
Sama Ari.
Selamat pagi. Only.
Siang. Day.
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Now selamat.
Selamat siang.
Siang,
Good
siang.
afternoon.
Yes, good.
Belum bisa Indonesia.